Guys, today I'm going to show you how you can enable Incognito mode in the most popular web browsers and HTC U11 Life. So let's start from the Google Chrome. In this web browser you have to click on the three-dot icon and choose New Incognito tab. That's it. The next some extra touch, click on the tab icon, switch to in private and click on the plus. Now the Firefox. Oh sorry, I have to pass the setup, so just give me a second. You have to open the new tab like here and click on the Server Mask. And the last one, Opera. Just click on the tab icon, switch to private and click on the plus. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.